We have all been there. It is your first day at a new job, you are wandering down an unfamiliar hallway, and you are balancing a spilling stack of paper forms to hand to people you have not even met yet. That overwhelming feeling happens because at most companies, getting a new employee set up is treated like a manual relay race. One department finishes their paperwork and physically hands a baton to the next. The problem with a relay race is that batons get dropped. Welcome emails get buried in crowded inboxes, critical equipment approvals sit unread on a manager's desk, and nobody knows exactly where the new hire actually is in the process. When HR and IT are forced to chase down missing signatures instead of doing their actual jobs, internal productivity stalls. Worse, the new employee's first impression of their new workplace is chaos. We can fix this by replacing that clumsy relay race with a smooth digital assembly line. We can do this using a suite of tools called the Microsoft Power Platform. Think of this system in 4 parts. First is Power Apps. This is an easy-to-use digital form where a new hire types in their details exactly once. Second is SharePoint. Once that data is entered, SharePoint acts as a highly secure, centralized digital filing cabinet that stores every document. Third is Power Automate. This is the invisible engine of the assembly line. It instantly grabs the documents from the filing cabinet and routes them to the exact right people automatically. And fourth is Microsoft Teams. Teams serves as the real-time notification system, pinging staff members exactly when it is their turn to act. Looking at this diagram of the Microsoft solution, we see how these 4 distinct apps combine. Linking the digital form, the filing cabinet, the routing engine, and the notification system together completely eliminates the need to manually pass paper. This flowchart breaks down the automated journey into 6 distinct steps, prioritized by urgency. We start at step 1, the employee request, where the hire submits their details. Instantly, the engine moves to step 2, pinging the manager in Microsoft Teams to authorize the request. These 2 initial steps are classified as high urgency because they act as the spark. IT and HR departments cannot begin their physical preparation until this digital fuse is lit. Here on the flow diagram, we move into medium urgency tasks, starting with step 3, HR validation. The system routes documents for compliance checks. Simultaneously, step 4 alerts the tech department to start IT provisioning, telling them exactly what accounts and hardware to prepare. Because data flows automatically, HR and IT have every single detail the moment the manager approves. Nobody has to sit and wait around for a forwarded email just to know a new person is starting. We classify these steps as medium urgency because ordering hardware and setting up payroll takes time. The automated system ensures these requests are triggered weeks before the employee arrives, preventing any last-minute bottlenecks. At the end of the workflow, we reach step 5, the Teams notification. This automated message confirms to everyone that everything is ready. Finally, in step 6, all background tasks are marked complete, feeding directly into a live tracking dashboard. Compared to ordering expensive hardware, a simple confirmation message is a low-urgency task, but replacing the anxiety of wondering if a new hire is ready with guaranteed visibility delivers massive peace of mind. Because of that background automation, the employee's actual first day looks like this: a quiet desk, a glowing laptop, and everything ready to go the minute they sit down. We measure success on the business benefits list. Organizations see an 80% reduction in processing time. It eliminates manual manager follow-ups and ensures every document is filed perfectly with 0 missing paperwork. The real return on this investment is time. The automation handles the repetitive chores, returning hours of productivity to the company and transforming a stressful day into a welcoming experience. Setting up this kind of digital assembly line is highly accessible. It relies on intelligently connecting everyday tools that many businesses already use, rather than writing massive amounts of custom code from scratch. This key metrics dashboard shows exactly how leadership can monitor that connected system. Through clear pie charts and trend lines, managers can view all onboarding statuses live, proving at a glance that the pipeline is working smoothly. Take a moment to look at your own internal operations. Identify the places where your team is still physically handing off tasks, and consider where a smart pipeline could do the heavy lifting instead. By letting platforms like Microsoft handle the administrative busywork, you free your people up to focus entirely on what actually matters, the human work of building a great team.